Good morning. Welcome back to a Tell Toby tutorial. And this one is 240403. It's a level 3, although I think it's going to go pretty quick. All right. We're going to do just a couple of extrudes, a chamfer on this one, and then I've got a little bit of a conversation at the end about maybe future plans on this one. Here we go. So we're going to start with an extrude on the top plane, and we're going to add 2 circles. 1 and 2. Middle click to finish. Make the inside one 12 and the outside one 20 from the top view. Okay. And it gives us 20 automatically. And there we go. Control D. And we're started. All right. Let's go ahead and drop the chamfer on. I prefer 45 by D if you've got a 45-degree chamfer. Hold down Control to get both. It shows up better on the drawing, and because we can just turn on drawings, or dimensions on the drawing, that's worth making that step here. Okay, I'm going to make this tangent and a depth width of 4. And we're going to flip that the other direction and remove material, and the depth is 12. All right. Last feature here is adding a hole onto the outside. You know, I love those radial hole placements, so we'll use our draggers. We're going to set it as 0 degrees around the outside, and we're going to locate it down 5.5. Give it a diameter of 4. That's in the right side view. And I've noticed lately that when you hover over the dimension, those symbols will pop up right there. So I do like that. Middle click to finish that one. We can turn off our planes. All right. So I do notice we got this 10 and 20. Like the location of the outside to the center line is dimensioned on here quite a bit, which is a little surprising to me. Actually, let's get our properties. All right. There we go. So what was I saying? I'm so sorry. There it is. Okay. The 10 is dimensioned here, which is surprising to me. A lot of times we have our center hole located relative to the outside hole, and just located based on the fact that there's 2 center lines that intersect. And so we have an inside hole that is located relative to the outside hole, and they have the same center, but there's no dimension. Is it 0? Is it 0.0? Is it 0.00? These drawings don't have tolerance blocks, and that's because that's not what they're made for. But an interesting application of GD&T is the ability to control the location of one hole relative to the outside surface. So I think this might be a really good opportunity to take this part, the next step, into a drawing and applying some GD&T onto that. So watch for that coming soon, and take care.